Every time I step out, I seem to come back with something. This time, a few pieces from Hobby Lobby. The door closes behind me, and I carry these little finds, pieces to make the season feel a little brighter. Nothing over the top, just touches that bring warmth and sparkle, the kind of things that make the house feel cozy and happy, and of course, it's Christmas time. Now, these gold picks caught my eyes right away. Delicate, shiny, and they are gonna be so perfect in the Christmas tree. And these cedar wreath, absolutely stunning. I have four. We can either put these around the house or we can use them on our counter stools. Now, the main reason I went to Hobby Lobby was for these Norfolk stems. I was happy when I went in the store and saw that they still have them. I mean, they had a few, and you already know the 50% off. Now, I love these. They're flexible, they look realistic. I'm definitely going to add these on my coffee table on the island area because I have enough. And while I'm excited to decorate, for now, we're just gonna slow down and do a little bit of reset, which means it's time to take down the fall pieces. We are gonna transition from fall into the holidays in a calm, simple way. You know, speaking of fall, the little small stems, the cozy accent, and the touches of brown that carried us through the season. But I'm leaving a few things behind. I decided to work with brown, yeah, so we will definitely have brown and add green. The Christmas tree is green. We are working with green. It's also a Christmas color. Okay, so I'm excited. But let's just take down everything for fall. The house is gonna be naked. I'm leaving a few stuff behind because I'm not gonna decorate right at this moment. It's a few days. You know what? I think last year I did pretty well with getting our PJs early, with knowing that I wanted my tree up for Thanksgiving. I'm pretty sure it will be up for Thanksgiving. So just give me a little bit of time. I know you guys are excited. I know you guys want to see what's going on for Christmas. But you know, we always bring it. So we're definitely going to take our time. And it's going to be real classy, simple, cute, modern, traditional. It's going to be everything, girls. So just stick around for it because I'm excited too. Now the house feels refreshed, clean, open, and ready. Simple touches, thoughtful accents, little details that bring life to every corner. Soon, the Christmas magic will start filling in, but for now, I'm just enjoying this quiet, cozy moment, a soft refresh, a little pause, a chance to appreciate the little things, the calm in the day, and the joy that it's just around the corner. Like the next video, it's gonna be time. It's cozy, it's peaceful, and it's ours. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm happy to record and leave a comment. Make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the weekly vlog and then the Christmas decor. Okay, so stick around. You don't want to miss it, because you don't want to miss it. I don't want to miss it. So I'm working hard. So it's that time, guys. Time to move the furniture and make room for a Christmas tree. This year I wanted something different. The old tree had snow on it, and honestly, it was doing too much. The mess, the cleanup, no thank you. Okay, a big thank you to ShareCon for sponsoring this portion of the video. We got their 8-foot pre-lit Christmas tree, and from the moment I saw it on their website, I knew it was perfect. Everything came in the box, super easy to follow. Just 3 parts: the instructions, the legs, and the tree sections. Putting the legs on first is key, but honestly, you barely even need the instructions. It was that simple. Guys, this is a Christmas tree. We have the legs right here. The remote is in this thing. Obviously, a booklet with the instructions. We have it labeled, so we have C, B, and A over there. So this is the first one. I'm gonna set it up. You guys will see. I'm so excited because it does have a remote, which means we can change around. So yeah, let's start. This is how it looks. I didn't want, because you guys know I had a tree with the white on it. I wanted something green this year, hence why we're working with this one. So I'm super excited to see, and it changed colors. So yeah, let's get into it. Once the legs were on, we started stacking the tree section, C, B, then A, and separated all the branches to fluff it out. And guess what? It even comes with a remote, so you can change the lights and the settings. Super convenient for creating that perfect vibe. The tree is full and realistic. Every branch carefully crafted to look lush and natural. It comes pre-lit with fiber optic lights and a star on top, soft, colorful, and festive, creating that perfect holiday glow. Okay guys, it's the nighttime and I wanted to talk about the Christmas tree because I absolutely love it. Now this is it. Our last tree, we had all the snow and stuff going on. I purposely wanted a all green tree this year and ShareCon made it happen, okay? Absolutely love it. But the best part about this is it is so cool. You can change the colors. I'm about to show you guys that right now. It's perfect. It was so easy to set up. You have a booklet, you don't need it because it's very easy to set up. All you need to do is connect those stuff, the remote, and the lights speak for itself. I'm gonna turn the lights off because I purposely waited right now to show you guys the different lighting, the settings. It is amazing. The kids were like, wow. This is the remote and the setting is phenomenal. Now you can go and you can use any light. It speaks for itself. The remote speaks for itself. So if you touch this is what you're gonna see. Okay, you see that? Did you guys just see that? And it's gonna change. If you press this one, it's also gonna change. So I absolutely love it. But I want to show you guys this when the light is on for every button that I touch. It's amazing. Now look. The lights are fully customizable with the remote, 16 colors, 8 modes, and even timers, so you can change the vibe anytime. And fluffing it out is simple. The hinge branches and separate sections make setup easy, with every tip shaped perfectly to create a gorgeous full look. From the very first branch to the last, this tree transformed the room. Thanks to ShareCon, our Christmas feels magical, cozy, and full of joy. Please check the description. I'll have the link to the tree and of course their website where you guys can shop all you want. They do have decorations as well and they do have a sale going on, so definitely you'll save something.